Goa Governor Satyapal Malik writes to Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant in regards to state government's proposal for construction of new Raj Bhavan building. The Raj Bhavan on 1st August 2020 issues a press note says keep proposal of new Raj Bhavan on hold. Here's what it says. A lot of negativities and controversies are being generated on the matter of the state government's proposal for construction of new Raj Bhavan building at various media platforms. In this regard, it is clarified that the Honorable Governor has written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister dated 27 July 2020 wherein he has requested the Honorable Chief Minister to defer the proposal of constructing a new Raj Bhavan building till the state finances improves. The Honorable Governor believes that at a time when the state is battling COVID-19 and reeling under financial crisis, the idea to construct a new Raj Bhavan is irrational and imprudent. The Honorable Governor feels that any new capital work would entail unnecessary additional financial burden on the state exchequers, thereby exacerbating the economic distress of the state. The Honorable Governor in his letter to Honorable Chief Minister has further clarified that his requirement for functioning as Governor is very limited and he does not require any new Raj Bhavan building per se. Therefore, it is clarified that as of now, there is no proposal of construction of a new building for Raj Bhavan. The project will be taken up only when the finances of the state improves and that too within the premises of the Raj Bhavan only. Raj Bhavan, Dona Paula, Goa. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.